Petrochemicals are chemical products derived from petroleum and natural gas. These hydrocarbons are the backbone of countless products we use daily. Petrochemicals have revolutionized our lives, from the clothes we wear to the cars we drive. Understanding petrochemicals is crucial to grasping their profound impact on our modern world. The petrochemical industry extracts and refines these raw materials, transforming them into a diverse range of products. This essay explores the multifaceted petrochemical industry, delving into its significance, products, environmental impact, and the quest for sustainability. Join me on this exploration of the industry that shapes our modern world. Imagine a world without plastics, fertilizers, or synthetic fibers. This scenario highlights the indispensable role of petrochemicals in our lives. Petrochemicals are essential to modern society, driving economic growth and technological advancement. Their versatility makes them crucial components in various industries. The transportation sector heavily relies on petrochemicals for fuels, lubricants, and materials for vehicles. Agriculture depends on fertilizers derived from petrochemicals to enhance crop yields and meet global food demands. Furthermore, the healthcare, construction, and electronics industries benefit significantly from petrochemical products. The pervasiveness of petrochemicals underscores their importance in our daily lives. The transformation of crude oil and natural gas into valuable petrochemicals is a complex and fascinating process. It begins with the extraction of these raw materials from the earth. Crude oil and natural gas undergo refining, a process that separates them into various components based on their boiling points. These components, known as fractions, serve as building blocks for a wide array of petrochemicals. Through a series of chemical reactions, these fractions are transformed into valuable products. These products include plastics, resins, synthetic fibers, fertilizers, and countless other materials. The petrochemical refinement process is a testament to human ingenuity in transforming raw materials into essential products. The petrochemical industry yields a vast array of products that permeate every aspect of our lives. One of the most well-known products is plastics, which revolutionized manufacturing and consumer goods. Plastics are lightweight, durable, and versatile, making them suitable for various applications. Another essential product is fertilizers, crucial for modern agriculture. Petrochemical-based fertilizers provide essential nutrients to crops, enhancing their growth and yield. Synthetic fibers, such as polyester and nylon, are also derived from petrochemicals. These fibers are used extensively in clothing, carpets, and industrial applications. The diverse applications of petrochemicals highlight their significance in our modern world. Section 5: Plastics, a revolution in material science and its environmental impact. Plastics, a ubiquitous material in our modern world, owe their existence to the petrochemical industry. Derived from hydrocarbons, plastics have revolutionized various sectors, from packaging and construction to healthcare and electronics. Their versatility, durability, and low cost have made them indispensable in countless applications. However, the widespread use of plastics has come at a significant environmental cost. The durability of plastics, once considered a virtue, has transformed into a liability as plastic waste accumulates in landfills and oceans. The non-biodegradable nature of most plastics means they persist in the environment for centuries, posing severe threats to marine life and ecosystems. Addressing the environmental consequences of plastic production and disposal is crucial for a sustainable future. Section 6: Fertilizers, nourishing the world and the environmental consequences. Fertilizers, essential for modern agriculture, are another significant product of the petrochemical industry. These fertilizers provide essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to crops, enhancing their growth and yield. The use of fertilizers has been instrumental in feeding the world's growing population. However, the excessive and inefficient use of fertilizers has raised environmental concerns. Runoff from agricultural fields carries excess nutrients into waterways, leading to eutrophication. This process depletes oxygen in water bodies, harming aquatic life. Moreover, the production of nitrogen-based fertilizers is energy-intensive, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions. Sustainable fertilizer management practices are crucial to mitigate the environmental impact of agricultural intensification. Section 7. Synthetic fibers, from clothing to industrial applications. Synthetic fibers such as polyester, nylon, and acrylic have become ubiquitous in our lives thanks to the petrochemical industry. These fibers, derived from hydrocarbons, offer numerous advantages over natural fibers, including durability, wrinkle resistance, and water resistance. Polyester in particular has become a staple in the textile industry, used extensively in clothing, upholstery, and carpets. Nylon, known for its strength and elasticity, finds applications in various products from stockings and swimwear to ropes and fishing nets. Acrylic fibers, valued for their softness and warmth, are often used in sweaters, blankets, and carpets. While synthetic fibers have revolutionized the textile industry, it is essential to consider their environmental impact. The production of synthetic fibers requires significant energy and water resources, and the disposal of synthetic fabrics contributes to microplastic pollution. Section 8. The environmental costs of petrochemical reliance. The petrochemical industry, while essential to modern life, has significant environmental impacts. The extraction and refining of crude oil and natural gas release greenhouse gases, contributing to climate change. The production and disposal of plastics lead to pollution of our oceans and landfills, harming wildlife and ecosystems. Moreover, the industry's reliance on non-renewable resources raises concerns about sustainability. The extraction of fossil fuels can lead to habitat destruction and biodiversity loss. Air and water pollution from petrochemical plants can have detrimental effects on human health and local ecosystems. Addressing these environmental challenges is crucial for the industry's long-term viability. Section 9. Sustainable strides, innovations in the petrochemical industry. Recognizing the environmental challenges associated with traditional petrochemical production, the industry is making strides towards sustainability. One promising avenue is the development of bio-based plastics derived from renewable resources such as corn, sugarcane, and algae. These bioplastics offer a more sustainable alternative to conventional plastics, as they are biodegradable and reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Another area of innovation is the development of advanced recycling technologies. These technologies aim to improve the recyclability of plastics and reduce plastic waste. Chemical recycling, for instance, breaks down plastics into their chemical building blocks, allowing for the production of new plastics without the need for virgin materials. Additionally, the industry is exploring carbon capture and storage technologies to mitigate greenhouse gas emissions from petrochemical plants. These innovations represent positive steps towards a more sustainable petrochemical industry. Section 10. Balancing progress with preservation, a shared responsibility. The petrochemical industry plays a vital role in our modern world, providing essential products that support various sectors. However, the environmental impacts of this industry cannot be ignored. Balancing the need for petrochemical products with the imperative to protect our planet is a shared responsibility. Governments, industry leaders, and consumers all have a role to play in fostering a more sustainable future. Governments can implement policies that encourage the development and adoption of sustainable technologies and practices. Industry leaders can invest in research and development of eco-friendly alternatives and promote responsible production and waste management. Consumers can make conscious choices by reducing their consumption of single-use plastics and supporting products made from recycled or renewable materials. Section 11. Conclusion: forging a sustainable future. The petrochemical industry stands at a crossroads, facing the challenge of meeting the growing demand for its products while mitigating its environmental impact. The future of the industry depends on its ability to innovate and transition towards more sustainable practices. By embracing bio-based materials, advanced recycling technologies, and responsible resource management, the petrochemical industry can continue to play a vital role in our world while minimizing its environmental footprint. As we move forward, it is crucial to remember that sustainability is a journey, not a destination. Through collaboration, innovation, and a shared commitment to environmental stewardship, we can forge a future where the petrochemical industry contributes to a healthier and more sustainable planet for generations to come.